Welcome back to another Walmart haul. First, before we get into Walmart items, I really want to share with you what I found at the Dollar General. It's only 4 items, so I'm going to pair it up with the Walmart haul. And I got a couple Broadway nail polishes. This is a repurchase. It's the white number 60 Snow White. And this is pretty opaque, dries quickly, and it's $1. So the next one, I thought that would try this one stamping because the white one works okay. This is actually number 59, Blackout. Got those. And then I found 2 surprise kind of finds in their dollar area. They have sheet mask in their dollar area, their dollar aisles, dollar deals, whatever it's called. Swatching Gold and Collagen Detoxifying Sheet Mask. And it says you can feel the glow. There's 2 masks in here, and it helps improve skin elasticity, fine lines, and wrinkles. We shall see. $1 for 2 masks. We're definitely going to try these out, test them out. And then the next and final thing from Dollar General is also from Swatching, and it's the Manuka Honey and Tea Tree Oil Deep Cleansing Sheet Mask. And it helps to purify pores and control oil. And there's also 2 in here as well. You can't really beat this, and I think that these would make pretty good gift kind of bag stuffers. Yeah, I was excited to find these. So we'll be doing a closer look at those. Moving into the Walmart stuff, this is not so exciting, so we will start with it. It's just a can opener, and I loved this minty handles on there. So we got a new can opener. Also from Housewares, I did pick up 2 cups. These are not going to show their true beauty on camera. These are stunning. They're just plastic, like tumbler cups. They were $2.50 each. I got one of the small ones. I already took the tag off. They're from Better Homes and Garden line. And they are like opalescent, iridescent, unicorn, mermaid kind of thing going on there. And these are awesome. So I got the small one and I got a large one. And there was only 2 of the large ones left. And I had both of them in the cart. But the other one was severely cracked. And if they'd had more big ones, I'd have got 4 of them. I would have got the whole set. They are so beautiful. So I also got 69 pictures printed off. I was so behind in printing pictures, but I'm starting to get caught up. 69, I love pictures. Printed off a ton of pictures. And every time in the electronics, I always look in the movie bins. And I picked up Jurassic Park, The Lost World. This is movie number 2. I've always been fans of the Jurassic Park movies. And if I'd have found the first one and even the third one for Jurassic Park, I would have bought them all. But they only had Lost World in the bin. This was in the $5 bin. But I know that we'll watch this, and Connor loves dinosaurs, so it's not a waste of money. I know we'll watch it. Okay, in the scent wax candle aisle, I had to pick up a few things. So recently my bulb blew in my little owl wax warmer. Yesterday, I actually just picked up the light bulb to fit the wax warmer. So it was like $2.50. So you get 2 of those in there. So it's not a bad deal. Also in there, I picked up the tea tree oil, the 100% pure essential oil. I like how this stuff smells. It's my second bottle of that. So I grabbed one of those. I did get some waxes. Now I'll start with the limited edition. This has been around for a couple years now. And it's from Better Homes and Garden, and it's the Warm Spring Sunshine. I love this one. I have repurchased this scent so many times when it was available. So, yes, I love this one. Next up, from Better Homes and Gardens. And these are with the oils. Essential oil infused. And this is sandalwood and vanilla. I love sandalwood scents. So, I had to grab this one. Now, these look a little bit different. A little bit bigger in size, seem to be. And I think that's pretty neat. And they're the same price. Well, no, they weigh the same. They're 2.5 ounces each. Just different layout is why they look different, I suppose. And they're still $2. This smells amazing, by the way. Last wax I picked up is from Sensationals, and it's Magnolia, and it says Simple Beauty. And if you like floral scents, you'll like these two waxes here. Moving into beauty, this was on my list for Dollar Tree, but I just randomly seen it on the shelf. They had a bunch of them from Mainstays. 60 sheets for 96 cents, I believe. Just a lint roller, but beauty related because I'm going to use it for stamping. So I picked up one of those since it was on my list anyways. I picked up 2 of the Pure and Gentle makeup wipes. I've been using the Bolero wipes, and I had run out of my Pure and Gentle. I love these. They're only $1. You get 30. They smell great. They are super saturated. They take your makeup off quickly. I cannot talk enough about them. And you need to try these in the Walmart makeup wipe aisle. These are amazing for the price. So, another makeup remover. This is a repurchase for me. I get this all the time when I run out. It's the Garnier Micellar Cleanser Water, the all-in-one. It removes waterproof, and it's the one with the oil in there. You can see it. And this one comes with a free Glow Boost moisturizer. It's $6.50. It lasts a really long time, but nothing removes my makeup as quick as the Garnier one. Okay, moving on here. Another repurchase. I always get my nail polish remover there. Sometimes I do buy acetone other places like the DollarGeneral or whatever, but I prefer this Onyx brand. I love it. 16 fluid ounces for, I believe, under $3. Honestly, you can't beat that. One more repeat buy, though, is from e.l.f. here, and it's the brow pencil for $2. I learned about this brow pencil from Emily Noel. It's amazing. And my favorite thing about it is in natural brown. And it's not too warm for my brows. It's more, yeah, it's definitely a cool toned pencil. It's just my new favorite brow product, mainly because my brows look more natural. Hence the natural brown. It says neutral brown. Neutral. It makes my brows like a shade or so lighter, so I really needed a pencil like this, and I finally found something that I really love. Thanks to Emily Noel for shedding light on this pencil for $2. Another Emily Noel purchase is the CoverGirl Lid Lockup. Never even knew CoverGirl had a eye primer. I look at CoverGirl stuff all the time. I probably thought it was a mascara primer because it is right in with the mascaras. And she likes this, and she says it doesn't dry completely down. It has a little bit of tack left to it. And I was like, I have to try this because I'm a fan of tacky secondary kind of bases for stuff to adhere to. So this might be a middleman. So I picked that up. I want to get my nail polishes out of the way. And then there's just a few more items, but all items that I actually really wanted to try. I did pick up this LA Colors Mermaid Magic Nail Polishes. This is my second one of these, and these are iridescent nail polishes. Beautiful gold shimmery polish. It's called Golden Sand, and it does remind me of Golden Sand Lake. The glitter's so finely milled, and there's little bits of silver in there as well. So it totally reminded me of just shimmering sands. I had to pick this up. I think it was like $2. Another nail polish, I picked up the Salon Perfect, and they are always sold out of these neon pop polishes. I really like Salon Perfect. And I had seen a nail post, oh my goodness, forever ago on this polish here, Mermaid of Money. And this is beautiful. This is absolutely stunning, gorgeous. The lighting's not doing it justice. We've had so many gloomy days lately, but I want to film this anyways. So a couple face items that I've really been wanting to try. I hear that this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer that's only $4, by the way, is comparable to Shape Tape, and there is no way I'm paying full price for Shape Taper, any concealer. So I definitely wanted to try this out. And I think I will eventually try that Rimmel, the new Rimmel concealer out too. But I got it in Fair Beige, which is the lightest shade that they have. I wanted this the last time I went to Walmart, but they didn't have my shade. This time they did. And yes, I am so excited to try this. Another product that is really usually out in the first two shades is this HardCandy Glamouflage Full Coverage Foundation. 16-hour wear oil free foundation. Yes, this was $6 and they always have the first and second shade are gone. Yesterday they had a whole shelf full and I got Ultra Light. This is the second shade. The first shade is Ivory, and it definitely looks like it would be my shade, but it would be a little bit light. It's more for like a cool tone skin tone. I have more of a warmer skin tone, so I went with Ultra Light, which has more of a warm tone to it. So excited, and I really love, let's break the seal on this here. I love that it has a doe foot applicator on there. Oh, I'm so excited to try this foundation. I've heard so many great things about it. And last and final thing, makeup item that is, I was going to repurchase Nude Lust. I think y'all know by now how much I love Maybelline's Nude Lust lipstick, but I really adore that lipstick. So yesterday I looked at the lipsticks and I found a matte almost identical to the Nude Lust lipstick from Maybelline. And Maybelline makes some of my favorite lipsticks. This is called Beige Babe 545. It's got their matte packaging on there, the nude. And that's what it looks like. So this is kind of like a matte version of Nude Lust. Maybe a little darker, but totally in the shade alley where I want to be. And I am so excited for this lipstick because I love some nude lipsticks. I do so many bold looks that I almost have to have some nice nudes to pair with them. You know, that's like my favorite. Besides in fall, a good burgundy lip is my favorite. So that's my Walmart haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials and hauls and all that good jazz. Definitely be doing a get ready with me testing out all these new products, so definitely stay tuned for that. Hope you guys will like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And thanks always for watching, and stay tuned for lots more videos.